Welcome back to Crazy Ass Redneck Channel. This is part 2 of the lawnmower kind of re-put together shit. We just finished putting those 2 screws back down and putting the rear fenders back on. So now we get to work on the air cleaner and the throttle cable. Not quite sure I'm going to do that yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. Alright. That's a nice place for an air cleaner to be. Alright. Just pull out these 2 screws. Okay. So let's go ahead and throw that back on. Actually, I'll take the filter out first. And when I got this engine, it did not come with a cover, so kind of like one for it, which I haven't really able to find one. Alright, there's one. Come on, there we go. It's gotta be an easier way than just cranking the shit for a minute solid. Not a literal minute, but whatever. You get my point. Probably use a new air cleaner too. This one's pretty gross. Alright. There we go. Wait, there's. Oh well. Alright. If you do hear any noise in the background, the radio is on. It's kind of hard to work on shit and focus without any background noise like music or anything. Alright. So, let's go ahead and grab a flathead. I do know there is one in the box. There's a million flatheads, but no Phillips. Alright. Okay. Now, we're not going to hook up the vacuum tube just yet because I have something that goes on it. This is an oil catch can. Alright, sorry about that. My dad came out. So I've already drilled 2 holes. There's 2 mounting holes in there. Just got to find the nuts and bolts for them. And then install it and throw it back on. So I'm going to go ahead and set y'all down for a minute and then find the nuts and bolts for it. Alright, so flash is turned off because my phone's about to die, but also I do not know where the nuts and bolts are and I don't have any that'll fit it currently. So that'll do it for now because also it's dinner time for me. So I'm going to spit my chew out, go eat dinner, and probably call it a day in here, but I have a rant video I'm going to do after dinner, so this is the Crazy Ass Redneck Channel. I'll see y'all later.